So, if you've ever thought about being a Lego master builder, you've got some great ideas that you want to turn into Lego designs, create instructions for your friend. Well, I've got the app for you. It's Bricklink Studio. And right now, we're going to show you how to download it. You can go to our Rise Robotics website and check out a bunch of build videos on how to use the software. But this video here is going to show you how to download and install the software so you can get started. Lego Man Dan here. Wanted to take a few minutes and show you how to download the Bricklink Studio software. If you are following our Bricklink tutorial series on how to build your own Lego creations in Bricklink, you've learned how to use the software, but I did promise you guys we'd go through it, just a quick download tutorial, so here it is. All you got to do, go to the Bricklink website, make sure you are on the Bricklink download page. We're going to do the download for Windows because I'm on a Windows computer. There is a Mac option, but we're going to do the download for Studio on Windows today. All you do is go to Bricklink, click on the download. You can Google search it, click on the download page. When you get here, go to Download Studio for Windows. Go ahead and click on it. You see up here in the corner, it's going to download a version of the software to your download folder. Once it has done that, you're just going to click on that version of the software and begin the installation process. As you guys can see here, I've got Studio downloaded. I've already installed a copy, so we're going to kind of do a little workaround, but all you got to do, double click on it. It's going to go ahead and open. Tell it yes, you want to download it, accept the agreement. It's going to tell you right where to put it. I'm actually going to create a separate folder, but you would just leave it exactly the way it is. Go ahead and click next. You can tell it you want to create a desktop shortcut. It'll make it a whole lot easier to find. Go ahead and click next, and it's going to go ahead and start the install process once you click install. Let it go ahead and install the software. We'll come back as soon as my installation is done here. All right, we are back and the download has finished. When the download finishes, it's simply going to say click to finish and restart your computer. Once you do, you're going to get back to the start of your home screen. You'll go ahead and click on, it looks like this little logo here in the top left corner. That's if you did the bookmark on the main page. If not, just go to your search at the bottom of your screen and type in Studio and it'll show you where to go. I already have an account, so I can't walk you guys through the sign-in steps, and that's really something you should be doing with a parent or guardian if you're under the age of 13 anyway. But you would click over here where it says sign in, then follow the prompts to create an account. Then you are off and building in Studio. So hope this was helpful to you guys to know how to go ahead and set up Studio. Feel free to comment down in the comment section if you have any other questions. And we'll see you guys in the next build video. Hey everybody, now that you've learned how to install Bricklink Studio 2.0, go ahead and go to our Rise channel. We've got a bunch of great videos there on how to build stuff, tips and tricks on how to use Bricklink Studio. We've got coding videos. We've got a bunch of great stuff. Like, subscribe, click that notification bell. Come check us out. You won't regret it.